of the Jack Refix.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Abdullah Hori, and in today's video I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks which you can easily follow on your Windows, and it will help you guys a lot. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first tip is disk cleanup. Well, this will help you a lot, and you can search in the start menu and you can easily clean up your disk. As you can see, this will delete all the unnecessary files and optimize all of the drives. Tip number 2. Well, as you can see, defragment and optimize drives. It optimizes your drives and you can select which drive you want to optimize. As you can see, I want to optimize my D volume, and as you can see, I haven't optimized it till now, so I'm going to just speed it up. And you can see I just optimized my drives and it really works out, so why not try it? Also, this process might take some time, but it will really work out. And if you like this, press the bell icon and like this video and comment which trick you really liked. As you can see, I have defragmented and optimized all of my drives, and they will work out really good and really easy. Number 3. If you want to hide the icons that are showing on a desktop, well, they are really easy. Right click on your mouse and go to the view and turn off the show desktop icon. And as you can see, all of the icons are only hidden. Also, if you want to hide the taskbar, well, all you have to do is right click on the taskbar and go to the taskbar settings. After you go to the settings, well, all you have to do is turn on the automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode. And if you want to use the taskbar, well, all you have to do is just hover your mouse on the taskbar, it will show up. And it's really cool, and also your wallpaper will look really good. Tip number 4 is really cool. Well, just search run on the start menu, or you can press Windows plus R key and type there %TEMP%. As you can see, there are so many files and they are temporary files. Well, all you gotta do is press Ctrl A and delete all the files with Shift plus delete. It will permanently delete, and you can see there are some files that are not deleted because they are already open. Type temp and delete them as well. So it's really easy and really cool. If you're working on a single window and you want to minimize all of the other windows, well, all you have to do is press and hold and twist it like this, and it will minimize all of the other windows and will show the selected one. Well, it's really cool, huh? Well, it's really time saving and pretty awesome. If you like this, comment below. If you want to open a minimized window, well, all you gotta do is press Windows plus tab key and it will show all of the windows, and you can press any of you like and it will show up. As you can see, I can switch to any window I like. I can create a new desktop. Well, it's really easy. If you want to create a new desktop, well, here is a new option, and if you're doing something really like circular or something, well, you can just turn on the new desktop, and the main desktop and this desktop is really different. Like, they are like just two windows, so it's really cool. You can also close the desktop whenever you like. If you want to minimize all of the windows, well, all you gotta do is press Windows plus D and it will minimize all of the windows at once, just like this. If you want to rename a file, well, you have to do the right click and rename and blah blah stuff. Well, you don't have to do that. All you gotta do is first highlight the file and press F2. It will select all of the text and you can rename it easily. If you want to take a screenshot in Windows, well, all you gotta do is press Windows plus Shift plus S and it will show a pop-up menu of a screenshot menu, and you can easily select which type of screenshot you want. Like, if you want to select a particular area, then you can select it and it will show in the clipboard, and you can easily edit it in Photos or any app you like. So that's it for today. If you like the video, like this video and comment which trick you really like and really help you a lot. Well, this is Abdullah signing off. Allah Hafiz.